So here's the thing, people like watching vloggers because what they're watching is real life. If a vlogger is showing you how to bake a cake, they don't have a team in a studio baking 50 cakes so they have the perfect, here's one I made earlier cake. What you're watching is real life and people appreciate that. With the new technology available nowadays, increasingly people are fast forwarding TV ads or sometimes just completely skipping them altogether. So advertisers are looking for new, clever alternatives to TV ads. Through their channels, YouTubers have already built a relationship of trust with their viewers, through honest sharing and interaction, so viewers trust in their opinions on products or services. Advertisers are starting to realise the huge value vloggers have with their vast reach to targeted audience. For example, if a mountain bike company wants to sell more mountain bikes, they go to a mountain biking channel. It's a win-win situation, as viewers are getting to view products or services that a real person is using and enjoying, rather than an actor reading lines they've been told to say about a product. Viewers have more trust in the product, which leads to more sales and more profits for the brand. So you're thinking, wow, what a great service vloggers are providing for these companies. And yes, loads of companies are jumping on board and understand the power of vloggers. But sadly, some are still viewing vloggers in a really old-fashioned light and thinking of them as scroungers or trying to get something for nothing. This is something that we're trying to change. In reality, vloggers are providing hundreds upon thousands of potential customers to brands. And yet they're still being accused of wanting something for nothing. Nope, we just want paid for a service that we're providing. Same as any business really. And I haven't even touched on all the time, effort and money vloggers spend on their businesses, and all they're asking is to be treated fairly. So, in the words of Aretha Franklin, all we're asking for is a little bit of respect, and for companies to value vloggers. Thank you all so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.